When did you last change your phone? Why did you feel the need to upgrade your phone? The National Education Policy was implemented in 1986, modified in 1992, changes proposed in 2020 to be implemented from 2022 for a generation of netizens who are still taught in a system that was given by the British under the English Education Act 1835. Thomas Babington Macaulay, the father of the English Education Act, looked down upon everything Indian. He felt that Western world was a superior world. Western education was a superior education, and that was his gift to the poor Indians. He basically wanted to create a class of Indians who, though looked Indian in color, thought English, spoke English, so that it became easy for the British superiors to communicate with the Indian natives. He also tried to create a workforce of clerks to be working in the English offices, in the British offices. There were two major flaws in the education system proposed by him, and those flaws still exist. Preference of English over the Indian vernacular and death of creativity. So with this act, he was able to create the English-speaking Indians and the non-English-speaking Indians. And the divide still exists. आप कितने सक्सेसफुल हैं, आप कितने प्रोग्रेसिव हैं, आप कितने इंटेलिजेंट हैं, ये सब मापा जाता है आपकी एबिलिटी टू कन्वर्स इन द लैंग्वेज से. Hindi is looked down upon. 65% students in schools do not want to study Hindi, do not want to study the vernacular language, and parents have no problem in it. उन्हें इसमें कोई गलती ही नहीं लगती है. That is the mindset that we've got into. It has not happened so with Russia, Germany, France, or China for that matter. Sunday we had NEET exam, and Saturday we got the sad news of a friend's son committing suicide. He succumbed under pressure. And according to stats, 20 children every day give in to this pressure and take drastic steps. हमारा सिस्टम ही ऐसा है. We are marks oriented. आप कितने सक्सेसफुल हैं, आपके ग्रेड्स आपके मार्क्स पे डिपेंड करता है. आप किस कॉलेज में गए हैं पे डिपेंड करता है. आप एज अ पर्सन क्या हैं, who's bothered? आप सिर्फ एक नंबर हैं. And the unrealistic numbers, the unrealistic marks that children get. This year we had somebody getting 100% as well. The cutoff rate are sky high. What does an average child do there? So the system does not encourage any form of creativity. We are marks oriented. We encourage rote learning in the children. रटते जाओ रटते जाओ रटते जाओ. And every year, जैसे फैक्ट्री में होता है, मास प्रोडक्शन हम कर ही रहे हैं बच्चों का, तो जैसे फैक्ट्री में होता है एवरी ईयर क्वालिटी चेक होता है. पास फेल पास फेल पास फेल. And that's how we send children out into the world. And most of them are unemployable because the only thing that they're good at is mugging things up. Considering the size of our country, considering the fact that we are the largest producers of engineers in the world, it is surprising that we have never got a Nobel Prize for science. Look at our tally of medals in the Olympics or the Asian Games. What do we do with our sportsmen? We push them inside the classrooms. We stop their practicing. We stop their playing. We stop encouraging them. And we, on the other hand, encourage them to learn and mug things up. And nobody finds any fault in this. There are schools that are looking at things differently now. They too face a lot of challenge. Because the mindset of the parents sending the children to those schools is still somewhere colonial in nature. The national education policy, the new education policy that has been proposed, has the spirit in its right place. It talks of encouraging multilingualism. It talks of encouraging innovation, creativity, skill development. It talks of giving the children the option of choosing their subjects, major and minor. It talks of encouraging everything that is Indian and promoting Indianness. It has its heart in the right place. How we implement it is a challenge that might happen. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope that the new education policy, with its heart in the right place, is able to make a difference. At least the first step has been taken, and it will definitely make a difference in the lives of the children. Let India reach the glory that she is capable of.